Welcome back. The first step in redoing a trailer, letting go of the safety chains. Step 2, put jack stands in a stable position. You'll see in this episode we used a lot of wood blocks to stabilize the boat. For each jack stand, we did make a custom holder. These holders were built using a router. At the bottom of each jack stand, you'll see that we used two 2x4s screwed together. After setting up the jack stands, time to move the trailer forward. Next step, stabilize the boat on jacks, remove the jack stands, and push the trailer forward. Then move the front jack to the center of the boat, make sure it's stabilized, then pull the trailer forward. Quick note here, make sure you got enough room to remove the trailer from the garage before starting the process. After removing the boat trailer from the garage, we decided to lower the boat down for safety reasons. We did this by using 2 jacks, slowly and cautiously. Later on, we wheel back the trailer into the garage and start to disassemble. This trailer had all kinds of garbage on it. Wire nuts, safety wire, duct tape, cloth ties, the rollers were shot, the carpet shot, the spare tire holder is bent. It's got one spare tire wheel on it. The trailer jack is missing a handle. This is nothing a order from Amazon can't fix. In future episodes, we'll break down all the parts that we ordered for this trailer. We installed carpet, new rollers, new safety chains, and replaced the wheels and tires. On the rear of the trailer, there is a left and right guide bar. I think these guide bars are hideous. I'm going to remove them and not use them going forward. Stay tuned for future episodes where I realize those guide bars are useful and I make new ones. After removing the tire, I did notice that the wheel bearings were leaking grease at the rear and the front. This concluded the wheel bearings needed to be replaced. You can see all the old grease in the back and grease coming out of the front, so no time like the present to replace the wheel bearings. Then on to figuring out what wheel we actually have. To measure a wheel, you measure from the top of one lug nut hole to the center of another for a 5-spoke wheel. In this case, we have a 4.5-inch lug nut pattern. This will allow me to source a new wheel and replace the spare tire on the trailer. In the next episode, we go into detail where we source the parts, put back the trailer together, put the boat on the trailer, and get her one step closer for the water. If you like this content, you can do 3 things: like, subscribe, and shop at our Amazon affiliate store. And thanks for watching. When building these jack stand holders, make sure they stay on the jack stand.